Question number 1. A column of length L is fixed at its both ends. The equivalent length of the column is. Question number 2. Euler's formula for column is applicable only when slenderness ratio is. Question number 3. Hope stress set up in a thin cylinder subjected to internal fluid pressure is. Question number 4. The ratio of maximum shear stress to hoop stress in a thin cylindrical pressure vessel is. Question number 5. Value of hoop stress in a thin spherical shell of diameter d, wall thickness t, and subjected to internal pressure is. Question number 6. For thin spherical shell subjected to internal pressure, the ratio of volumetric strain to. Question number 7. Auto frettage is the method of. Question number 8. The hoop induced in a thin cylinder by winding it with under tension will be. Question number 9. At the neutral axis of simply supported beam, there is. Question number 10. Which material has the highest value of Poisson's ratio?